Chromosomal map. See, chromosomal maps are two here in our syllabus. They are 2-point test crash chromosomal map, 3-point test crash chromosomal map. First, we discussed about 2-point test crash chromosomal map. 2-point test crash means two genes present on the chromosome. That crossing over occurs between two genes only. So this crossing over is also called 2-point test crash or two-factor test crash. The chromosomal map is also called linkage map or genetic map. Genetic map or chromosomal map. It explained with units. The units are called Morgan units. Units mainly present between a distance between two genes. Distance between two genes. The two genes distance are estimated by units. That units are explained with genetic map or linkage map or chromosomal map. Now we discussed about here it is 2-point test crash. Two genes, these two genes present on the chromosomes. This is also called two factors test crash. Two factors test crash. Here it is two-factor test crash shows two types of parental generations. One is dominant homozygotic parental plant. One is recessive homozygotic parental plant. The dominant homozygotic parental plant containing capital C, capital S, capital C, capital S, slash. Capital C color the seeds, capital S is belongs to full endosperm, and small c belongs to or expressed colorless seeds, small s endosperm, shrunken endosperm. Small s gene express shrunken endosperm. These two parental plants are crossed. During the cross, one dominant plant produced capital C, capital S gene. Another recessive plant produced small c, small s gene to form F1 generation. The F1 generation is in heterozygotic condition. Heterozygotic condition, that phenotypic character is capital C, capital S characters. Capital C, what is capital C? Colored seeds with full endosperm. And these are crossed with complete recessive homozygotic parental plant called test crash. 2-point test crash. The two genes are crossed with test crash. These are also called two-factor test crash. The F1 generation plant produced 4 types of gametes, and the test crash plant produced only one type of gamete. These 4 gametes are crossed with, means F1 generation gametes are crossed with recessive homozygotic parental plant gamete, mean test crash gamete, to form F2 generation. In F2 generation, 4 phenotypes are formed. From that 4 phenotypes, 2 phenotypes are developed in large quantity. They called parental phenotypes. And 2 phenotypes are developed in a less number. They called crossing over value phenotypes. Crossing over phenotypes. Here it is in F2 generation, total plants, 8,368 plants are appeared. From that 8,368 plants, 4,032 and 4,035 plants are similar to the parental generation plants. So the linkage percentage is equal to parental phenotypes by total generation into 100. The exact value is 96.4. What is 96.4? Here it is linkage percentage value is 96.4. If linkage percentage value is 100, they cannot produce new recombinants in the F2 generation. Here it is below the 100. Below the 100 means 96.4. The linkage percentage is 96.4. They can produce new offsprings or new recombinants in the F2 generation. Here it is the offspring percentage. Crossing over value is equal to new recombinants by total phenotypes into 100. The value is 3.6 units. Here it is 3.6 units is the distance between capital C, capital S gene. Here it is on the chromosome. 2 locus places are present. On the locus places, 2 genes are present. The two genes, one gene is capital C gene, one gene is capital S genes. Between capital C, capital S gene, the distance is 3.6 units are present. It is the chromosomal map. The chromosomal map explained with the crossing over value percentage between capital C, capital S gene. How many genes are present here? It is only two genes. The two genes are also called two factors, 2-point test cross. It is the 2-point test cross crossing over chromosomal map.